SAP Cloud for Dummies, mastering the recipe for subcontracting with bill of material. Ever order a custom cake? You tell the baker what finished cake you want, and they know exactly which ingredients, flour, sugar, eggs, and quantity they need to use. In SAP for manufacturing, that recipe is called a bill of material. For some beginners, especially when dealing with subcontracting in SAP Cloud, understanding and creating a bill of material is absolutely critical. What is a bill of material? A bill of material is a simply a complete structural list of the components, raw material or sub-assembly needed to produce the finished product. It answers the question, what goes into making this item? Why is a BOM, bill of material, crucial for subcontracting? When you subcontract, you are sending your component to an external vendor for them to perform work and return a finished product. The BOM tells SAP, and therefore you and your subcontractor precisely which of your materials need to be sent out, how much of each material is required for one finished product. This drives the material provisioning process for your subcontracting purchase orders. How to create a bill of material for subcontracting in SAP Cloud can simplify. So, ready to go? Because that's so log on to your dashboard, your SAP home base. Purpose. Access the system with the appropriate role for each churn engineer or master data specialist to manage product structure. Okay, to the case. We are in SAP Cloud for SMA, our biggest company that you want to rest to keep a standard SAP without any specific. It's a beautiful and an amazing solution. So in this demo, I do not use Joule. I just keep manually uh, show you how to do with the human, not with the intelligence. So the next step is open the maintain bill of material app. Maintain bill of material app. Phase two, maintain bill of material. Bill, okay, bill items. Bill of material. Okay. Purpose, this is your dedicated tool for creating and maintaining all your project recipes. So, the first things I do all the time, I check that I don't have any bill of material created in the system. So for that, for example, I just want to create bill of material for the material HC27. I click on enter. Okay, I do not see anything about this material. Okay, good. So, uh, the point is to identify the video method of the finished product. You are starting by defining what finished product this bill of material is for. This is the item you expect back from your subcontractor. Enter the material number. So the first things I do, I click on create bowl. Then all the mandatory fields are marked by star. So material is C27. Okay, I enter for which plant, K1, which is the BOM usage, is for then production, and I click on create a material. Okay, I remove the filter that I activate. So, so you have seen that we have defined POM usage that is a crucial for context. The BOM usage tells ACP the context of purpose of this specific BOM. For subcontracting, you typically use a BOM usage relevant for production. Example number one. This ensures it is used correctly in manufacturing and procurement processes. That is, does not things, for example, for the sales, and you use, for example, the sales for the sales kit. But okay, enter the component, the ingredients that you provide. Because this is the heart of the BOM. For each component you provide to the subcontractor, you will have a new line. What to enter? Component material, the material number of the raw material or semi-finished good you have provided. The quantity, how much of this component is needed to make 1 unit of the finished product. You need 2 screws for one finished product under 3. Unit of measure, this is kilogram meters. Item category. This is usually L for stock item. If you stock the component, or have non-stock items if they are directly purchased for this order. Okay, so item category I show you. Okay, and then I've got two components for this um, finished product. I've got the RM33 for example, for one cases I need, for example, uh, two, and to do the same thing for the RM34. I need two cases to predict one finished product. That means, again, we provide two materials and the subcontractor get provide back one cases of my material AG27. So I will provide the two pieces of material RM33 and RM34 to my subcontractor, and later I will receive from a subcontractor the material AJ51 one piece. Okay. So, okay, say suppose you're finalizing a recipe. On site, the BOM is available for planning and procurement. Automatically link it to a finished subcontracted product to the component you need to provide. I would say also you can create a version of production for a subcontractor. So I create the creating people say, here is save, here is save, good. So the Jamie's takeaway, the bomb for subcontracting is not just a list, it is an intelligence that drives your entire subcontracting process in SAP. It ensures you provision the right materials to the vendor, helping you manage your inventory and cost effectively. Okay, thanks.